Hello everyone, this is Satyaprakash. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a coronavirus live status tracker using Angular material. So guys, I already have created this application and deployed in Firebase hosting. So how to create, you need to go through my tutorial called Covid-19 using Angular tutorial, and you'll get these videos related to Covid-19 tracker or coronavirus tracker. Okay, after creating this application, you need to go through my Firebase tutorial playlist to deploy the Angular application for free. So guys, here you'll go to the video number 3, Angular material using Firebase hosting, which is related to this application. Okay, so after then you'll get this interface. After creating and hosting your application, you can see this application is already on live, that is coronavirus or COVID-19 live status using Angular. Okay, so guys, this Angular application is it has 5 features I have included. One is we can filter the records. Second is we can export the records using different formats: Excel, CSV, JSON, and text. Third is we can sort the records using ascending or descending. If you click on, you can see one arrow is coming. Okay, and if you click on, it will be descending order, and if you click on, it will ascending order. So every columns I have mentioned here, the headers, it is support the ascending and descending operation based on the records, that is the sorting the sort the records. Okay, and there is items per page. By default I have included 5. You can mention as 10 or 15, and it will show the page index. So total 231 records, so it's showing 231 per page is items per page, so it's showing only 5 records per page. And if you click on 10 records, it is showing 10 records per page. If you click on 15, it shows the 15 records per page. Okay, and you can go to the next page as well. Here is the next page. Okay, you can go to the last page, and you can go to the first page here. Okay, so this is the feature, and I'll show you how to filter the records. So if you put on India, it's showing the records India, and it's showing the only one record. Okay, so I need to export it. So if you click on Excel, it will download it here. Okay, you can see, and same way CSV downloaded here, JSON is downloaded, and text is downloaded. So you can see all the 4 formats have been downloaded or exported. So I'll go to show the records here. So if you click on Excel, so you can see guys, for the records you are showing after filter, this is reflecting in our Excel here. Okay, and same way we can do it in the CSV. If you click on CSV file, so it shows the one record as for filtering, right? So the CSV file also showing one record, that is India, with all the headers. And same way, this is the JSON. So JSON file is showing one record, and same way is for that the text. The text is showing one record, that's India. Also you can export all the records. If you not filter, it's showing all the records. Okay, so you can export as well. So remember that there is features whatever I added in this Angular application for COVID-19 status. First one is filter the records, second one is export the records, third one is you can sort your data using ascending or descending. Okay, like this, or total cases you can sort like ascending or descending, and you can use that items per page. Okay, I have select 5 for pages, and it shows the index. You can go next page, last page, and first page. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.